Have you ever considered participating in a clinical study? By participating in clinical studies, you may become part of the cure. This video is designed to help you understand what you may experience if you enroll in a study at the Medpace CPU, conveniently located in Madisonville just off Interstate 71's Red Bank Road exit. Study participation is a 100% voluntary activity. There are many great reasons someone may volunteer. You may have a friend or family member who is sick with the illness being studied and want to help. Or you may want to help advance medicine in general. The important thing is that you are taking part in the study because you want to, not because you feel that you have to. You should never feel forced, coerced, or enticed into participating by a desire to please your doctor, expectations of excess money, or misleading promises to cure an illness. Medpace CPU conducts early-phase clinical research studies. Our purpose is to carry out medical research. Our goal is to advance medical knowledge and help bring new drugs, devices, and therapies to the public. Take the first step. Complete the online study participant sign-up form to be included in the database of potential study participants. A recruitment representative will contact you to complete the process. The phone call usually takes less than 10 minutes. If you decide to become part of our study volunteer database, we will contact you when we have a study for which you may qualify and discuss the details. After you volunteer and you're deemed eligible for a specific study, the next step is to schedule a screening appointment with our study doctor or nurse practitioner. You will go through the informed consent process, receive a complete medical examination, and depending upon the study, undergo blood or urine testing to confirm you meet the specific criteria required for the study before you enroll. If you do not qualify for a specific study right away, we will keep your name in our confidential database and contact you when we have a study that is a good match for you. Every study is different. People who may not pre-qualify for one study might be ideal candidates for the next one. Informed consent is an agreement between you, the study participant, and the study's principal investigator, called the PI, who is usually a doctor. It is designed to ensure your safety and guarantee that you fully understand the risks involved and all the procedures required by the study before you volunteer to participate. Medpace Clinical Pharmacology takes the informed consent process very seriously. We want you to fully understand exactly what is going to happen if you choose to participate. Some studies at Medpace can be completed on an outpatient basis. However, many studies require an overnight stay, sometimes multiple overnight stays, in the Medpace Clinical Pharmacology Unit, or CPU. Many research studies require a very controlled environment. By having people stay at our clinic, we can not only more safely monitor them, but also standardize meals, activities, and medications, and make sure the study volunteers are available for time-specific testing, like blood or urine samples. In order to make your stay as comfortable as possible, the CPU features free Wi-Fi and Netflix, recreation rooms outfitted with widescreen television, board games, and other activities, personal DVD players and a library of DVDs, desktop computers, video games. We have the Xbox 360, a well-lit, secure outdoor courtyard where you can go outside as long as the weather and the study rules permit it, catered meals. While your overall experience with us is important, your safety is our primary concern. Medpace's state-of-the-art equipment ensures that patients are monitored electronically or visually at virtually all times. You are never more than mere steps away from a medical professional. Most of the time, you will stay 2 to 5 days. However, there may be some studies that last longer than that, and some studies which can last as long as a month in-house. Every study is different. As you will learn during the informed consent process, volunteers are allowed to withdraw their consent for study participation at any time. You may also ask to have your name removed from our volunteer database, and we will stop contacting you for any future potential study participation. So take the first step. Find out more and consider volunteering. Fill out the study participant sign-up form online or call Medpace at 513-366-3222 to make a difference.